Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to G-Bear's Off-Road Ways, a homestead in the desert. And yeah, finally some rain. We actually getting some rain. Yeah, it looks like it might give me a little bit of accumulation too. Got a thunderhead right above me outside here. And I'm out in the van right next to my water tank, because I got a water delivery coming tomorrow and I needed to clean my tank out. It had to get a full cleaning. So I had just finished draining all the water that I could drain out with a pump, and I had the shop vac with my special attachment on it, and I was sucking up the last of the residue water in the bottom of the tank, at the same time sucking up all of the dirt and dust and accumulation. And guess what? I can't show you right now. I was just about to do it, but then I had a lightning strike right above me. Actually, I had 4 of them in a row coming out of that thunderhead up there. And as soon as I saw the flash, the thunder was right behind it in like 2 seconds tops. So it was right over me. So I had to unplug everything real quick and close things up and get inside the van so I didn't get struck by lightning. But as I was about to say, in the bottom of my tank there's gold. Yes, there's shiny in the bottom of my water tank. It's all over the place. So I'm vacuuming this up, and I'm not going to dump this on the ground or anything. I'm going to let the gold settle out in the bottom, and I'm going to drain the water out from the top of the vacuum with a bucket until I get down to the bottom, and then I'm going to suck that up with my little wet vac, my little vac pack that I usually use for gold prospecting. And then I'm going to pan that out and see what's in it. And I'll be glad to show you guys when I get to that point. But for right now, I'm just going to sit inside of here and enjoy the rain. It's been raining now for a good 5 to 8 minutes. Nice and heavy like this. So I'm loving it. It's really going to soak everything down. And my garden's going to love it too. And of course, this is all coming down the day before I ordered 4,000 gallons. And that's going to be here tomorrow. So I'll be filled up with fresh water, clean tanks, clean filters, everything ready to go. In the meantime, I'm going to pause this and I'll get back to you in a few. It's looking really, really good out here with the rain. The ground is getting soaked. The plants are going to love it. My solar panels are getting a free washing. Oh, can't beat this. And I just have to say, it's about time, Lord. You've been bypassing us. The last 2 storms, one went to the east of us, one went to the west of us. And today I just joked with my neighbor. There was a storm to the east and there was a storm to the west, right side by side, going past us. And we had clear skies overhead. And I joked with him. I said, storms to the left of me, storms to the right. And here I am, stuck in the middle with you. Oh, man. Anyway, I'm going to pause and I'll get back to you. Well, we've got a little bit of puddling out here. It stopped for a minute so I could get in the house and get to the dog food and feed the dogs. So they had their supper and their treats. Now they're all out playing in the fields again, doing their things. And I was on my way out to back out to the van As you can see, it's pouring rain right over there, and it just had another downpour here. So I went in to check the rain gauge, and it was at 0.11 inches, but we just got another pretty good downpour here. And I looked out the kitchen window and I noticed that my solar panels were really clean. I mean, they were shiny clean, so I like that. And as you can see, there's some sun coming out here, some breaks in the cloud. It's raining up there. So I grabbed myself a cold one. And it looks like there's some more coming right at me from the backside here, because it's coming from that direction and going in that direction. So it looks like I might get another downpour. So I don't think I'm going to plug the electricity back in and finish cleaning my tank yet. I'll wait a little while longer. Yeah. So things are looking pretty good. And van got nice and clean again. Nice. I like it. I just picked up that water at my neighbor's today. So, not the white barrel on the back. That I just picked that up on the way in here, because when I sucked the water up into that vacuum cleaner with my long reach extension on it, then when that thing is full, I can pop the valve at the bottom of the tank there on my shop vac, and I use those two extensions right there. I just stick it on there and put it into that barrel, and I save that water for watering trees and plants and things like that. Yeah, it's got another downpour going on right over there. So I'll give it a little while longer. It's nice and cool out here. I'm going to pause again and have myself a cold one. Okay, everybody. We still have some rain in the area, but for the most part I got to get back out here and finish cleaning my tank, so I'm ready for water delivery tomorrow. And let me open this up. I don't know if you'll be able to see in here, but there is a little bit of rust stain here and there. I couldn't get it all, but I did get everything, including the little chunks of gold that were down there. And what makes me really interested in that is that you can hear my echo. As dark as it is in here, I could still see those specks of gold, and some of them weren't tiny. They were a lot of pickers. So I'm really curious as to what's in the vacuum cleaner right now. The rest of this, oh, it started to rain again. The rest of this that's inside of here, as soon as the water goes in, I'll turn some water on down by the cabin to suck some down through the filter, and that should clean the rest of this stuff up out of there. And then I'll be good to go for a while, because it's been, well, at least 7 years since I cleaned this tank. So it needed it, it got it, and it's done. All right, I'm getting rain down here. I'm going to call this a night. I'm going to go inside and post this, and I'll take your questions and comments at the bottom. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. This is G-Bear signing off. Yeah, another downpour. Coming down pretty darn good here. Good thing I just got everything put away. I got all my electric stuff all stuck into the van real quick. And it's definitely coming down.